Hi guys, we are still waiting for our check-in counters to open as of this moment. It's I think it's already 5:55 p.m. and the check-in counter is not yet open, as well as in Cebu Pacific it's not yet open as well. But our flight is in with Philippine Airlines. A lot of people are waiting here. So this is our app. We are boarding. The check-in counters are open. So we are in a line para mag-check-in, not boarding, sorry. So check-in na namin yung luggage namin and then lalabas kami ulit. We're done with check-in. Lalabas muna kami bago kami papasok ulit kasi nga 7:35 pa yung boarding, so 7 o'clock saka kami papasok ulit. Labas mo tayo ng Sugar Mountain Dew, of course, kasi nga mamaya magkuklose ng mga store na to, wala nang mabilan dito sa labas. So sa loob wala din daw, kahit the water wala, sabi nila. I just don't know ngayon kung meron na. So while waiting yun, yeah, ito ko traffic dito. Ewan namin kung ano yung flight ngayon, pero sobrang traffic. Ayan, yun yung airport. Ano ba, madaming congested flight or hindi ko alam. Or kung ilan na ba yung flight papuntang Zamboanga ngayon, to and from. Baka dinamihan na nila yung flight, so dinamihan na rin, madami na rin yung in and out of passengers. Yan. Ganyan na ngayon ang Zamboanga City, Philippines Airport. Malasakit Center. Airport ngayon. Ito po yung Zamboanga City Airport boarding area. Yan yung mga may free drinking water. Close na yung lahat ng mga ano. Unfortunately, yung tumbler ko, yung flask ko nasa luggage. So hindi ko siya magagamit. As of this moment, it's 6:44 p.m. So, ang flight namin is 7:35. Wait muna tayo dito. Ito po yung flight details. $7:35 daw. So guys, yung last flight ko papuntang Manila is November 2024. Yun yung last na flight ko. So hindi pa ako nakaka-travel ulit ng Manila until today, ngayon ulit. So we will be staying there for almost a month. And update ko kayo. Boarding na. Pero magsi-CR muna. Di na ka.
Gila?
Or dito ko tumagad. Mag-CR lang ako. Haba pa naman line.
Going now pa. 55 dira.
Excuse me. Di na ka. Saan? Di? Fairness sa CR. Malinis. Everyday. Fairness. Bibigyan ko ng 8/10. Oo, tama. And meron din hand wash. May tissue. So, ito tayo. So, boarding na po. Wala na masyadong passenger. Later. Ako daw muna kasi madami pong tao. So, kaya nako. Thank you. What?
Oh, no mira. Oh, tengo pico. Okay, okay.
Malingkat man ito, hatasya bod. So, this is Zamboanga City, guys. Bahay na si Zamboanga.
Alam mo na magano.
Na po tayo. We are in the seat of 47. So, 47 sa likod tayo, no? Subodoy guard, kailangan ko eh. Alin? Papuntang Cebu, hindi ko siya nakaka-take off. Yun. Ito yung for Manila. Dati kasi walang flight ng Manila Zamboanga ng gantong oras. Lately lang nagkakaroon. kasi nag-ano pa lang, boarding.